Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to transfer money using TapTap Send to GCash. GCash is local mobile financial services in Philippines. So open the TapTap Send app. If your current destination is not set to the Philippines, click on the current country at the top. Scroll through the list and select Philippines. Specify the amount you want to send, for example 100 euros. Click on Next. On the next screen, click on Add New Recipient. Choose GCash as the delivery method. Enter the recipient's full name and account number. After filling in the recipient's details, click on Next. Select your payment method and provide the necessary payment details. You will see an overview of the transfer including recipient's name, account number, transfer amount. Double check all the details to ensure they are correct. Once you have verified the information, confirm the transfer and proceed to make the payment. So that's it. You have successfully transferred money to a GCash account using TapTap Send. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.